Hi guys, I am Sumedha and welcome to my channel. So summers are here and the craving for ice cream is getting irresistible. So in today's video, I'm going to make chocolate ice cream. This recipe is super easy and the only skill required is patience. So without further ado, let's get started.
To make the ice cream, you will need Amul milk, 2 pieces of bread, 4 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, and 1 packet of hide and seek biscuits. Take a pan and pour 1 packet of Amul milk in it. Wait for some time till the milk starts to boil. Add 2 pieces of bread and stir it well. Let the mixture cook for about 10 minutes till it starts looking something like this. Now add 4 tablespoons sugar and mix it well. Once the mixture cools down a little, grind it in a grinder. Pour the mixture in an airtight container and freeze it in the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours. Once the mixture freezes, put it again in the grinder. At this step, you can add any flavor. I will add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder and 1 packet of hide and seek biscuits for the chocolate flavor. Grind the mixture in the grinder again and pour it in an airtight container to freeze it for 3 to 4 hours. Once the mixture freezes, your ice cream will be ready.